like the flipped tile, in that nature, whatever appeared to be wind damage. I wrote for the roof itself, or um, that's what I found, and that's what I added into the estimate.
Did you take into account here, or another way of saying this is, does this 9 tiles include tiles that appeared to suffer from wind damage, but also showed signs of prior repair?
Um, just to be clear, and I'm gonna kind of state this now, this roof, my recommendation is to replace this roof. It was not to repair this roof per tile or per bridge. But per their guidelines, I cannot replace this roof.
Okay, why not?
It
I'm going to object to privilege at this point because the guidelines are not to be discussed at this stage or not in bad faith. If you'd like to certify that and we can take it in front of the judge, that's fine. But I am going to ask Mr. Abanza not to discuss the guidelines at this time.
Okay, that's fine. I understand that. I'll certify just for the purpose of the record. I'm not sure that
yeah,
we'll need to go forward on that, but just so that
I do want to speak on it. I do want to speak on it. It's not their guidelines. It's just because they change their guidelines constantly.
Mr. Abanza, I'm going to ask you because I'm representing you as a
you don't represent me. I'm sorry. You represent Ken.
So I'm asking you not to disclose Ken's guidelines on deposition record at this time based on the point that we're here for a breach of contract case and not for a bad faith claim.
Yeah, I mean, if he wants to testify about it, I don't think you could stop him from doing that. He doesn't work for Ken.
So my position, and I thought it was Mr. Abanza's position until 10 seconds ago, was that as an agent of Ken for this claim, I'm representing him for this claim. I'm asking him and instructing him on that basis not to respond. Obviously, I can't hold his mouth closed. So,
okay, well, sir, I mean, look, she can't tell you not to answer the question. I mean, she can, I guess, make the objection, but to the extent you'd like to answer the question while we're on this record, you're absolutely able to do so.
If I can't speak about guidelines, but what I could say is this roof, my recommendation is to replace this roof. Even if I used ITEL or not, it's still my recommendation to replace this roof.